Hey everybody, it's Marty the JavaScript party. I am doing one of my quick 3JS videos, and this is we're kind of like I was moving through, like I was going from this was it looks a lot like the basic default application that you get when you implement what they have at npm, and then the example, and then I kind of worked from planes and circular planes to tetrahedrons, which are basically like triangles, like a three four-sided object that is made up of four triangles, right? So four triangular surfaces that result in a four-sided object. So that's pretty cool. And then the next thing is actually the cube, um, and which is actually what they call in 3JS a box geometry. And so with the so basically I circled back. I basically took one of the more newer branches and redid it for a cube, and then I just changed the position of the camera and of the um and what it was looking at, even though I think it was looking at 0, 0, 0, and then and all that. So this is it. It's pretty cool as per usual. You can control the rate, and that's just kind of the next step, of in the process. Um, Hopefully next will be a I guess, well, I think next I'm just going to do this with like colors since we are getting kind of close to the 4th of July, which is Independence Day of the United States. Maybe I'll do something a little patriotic like red, white, and blue colors. And then I guess, back to pictures again. Um, and then move on. Or then a double, just basically have that double and then move on to whatever the next bigger geometry is. So just it wasn't a whole lot. Like so basically I um took yesterday or the day the I can't remember which branch I branched off of, but basically it's off of I believe it's the tetrahedron one branch. Let me see. Yeah, I think it was this guy right here. That's what I branched off of. Actually, it was probably yeah, I think it was this one. Um, So, so that's that. And basically, I just changed the camera. I added it was sitting at the Z, 5 on the Z. So basically, it put the camera 5 like in our direction, and then it looks at 0, 0, and then I lifted it 5 up on the Y. So this is the first one like that where I lifted up in the Y. And once I changed the camera position, I needed to change the look at position. Here, yeah, you can see it was a tetra geometry, a single tetra geometry, and then there was this commented out, so I just got rid of it. I changed the name of this to box, and there we go. So pretty simple. Anyways, happy coding, everybody. Bye.